Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Teachable Machine models. First, navigate to the Teachable Machine website. This intuitive, web-based tool empowers you to create custom machine learning models without writing any code. You can train models for image recognition, audio classification, or even pose detection, making advanced AI accessible to everyone. It truly simplifies the entire process from data collection to model training. Next, you'll collect your data. For each category, provide a variety of examples. For instance, if you're training an image model, upload many different pictures for each class. The more diverse and representative your data, the better your model will perform. Once your data is ready, simply click the Train Model button and let the platform do its work. This step is crucial for effective learning. After training, it's time to test your model. Use new, unseen data to check its accuracy and identify any areas for improvement. Once satisfied, you can export your model. Teachable Machine offers several formats, including TensorFlow, JS for web applications, TensorFlow Lite for mobile and embedded devices, and even a raw Keras model. Select the format that best suits your project's needs for seamless integration. Finally, integrate your custom model into your projects. For web applications, you can easily embed the TensorFlow JS model using a few lines of JavaScript. If you're building for mobile, the TensorFlow Lite format is perfect for Android and iOS. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating interactive experiences, smart devices, and innovative applications powered by your very own machine learning model. Get creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.